Hello students, welcome all in my channel. Today we are going to learn more about the machine learning. We are going to learn about the algorithms of machine learning. There are different type of algorithms used for different approaches like supervised learning algorithm, semi-supervised learning algorithm, unsupervised and reinforcement. There are four type of major machine learning algorithm. So here first of all we will going to learn about the supervised. So brief introduction I will give you about the supervised machine learning algorithm. In supervised learning algorithm what we do, we provide the data which is the label data, which means it have proper information about the data. So for the complete data we can say that it is a complete data which we provide to the machine, and after that we will going to predict an output whether it is correct or not. Okay, so there are some of the algorithm in supervised learning, like for the linear regression, for the polynomial regression we use the machine learning algorithm for the supervised. Second is decision tree. To take the decision from the many of the decision we use the decision tree. For the random forest algorithm with different type of and the combination of decision tree comes under the random forest. Next is classification algorithm, like where we have to classify with the two terms like yes or no, or either 0 or either 1, then we will use the classification. There are some more important algorithms in classification we will learn further, like KNN, SVM, naive based logistic regression. Okay, so here as we know that in linear regression or in the decision tree or in the random forest we use the continuous data which is considered in the numerical form, and in the classification we use the categorical data which is in the form of term like yes, no, 0, 1, or we can say that with the unlabeled data, labeled data with the help of like statement which is not in the form of numerical, then that is categorical variable. Okay, so we will learn more about these terms in later classes, next classes. So next there is second algorithm which is semi supervised. Semi supervised means less amount of labeled data and large amount of unlabeled data. So for example there are some 100 labeled data which have proper information, complete information, and 400 unlabeled data which is the number of unlabeled data is greater. So we use semi-supervised learning also for some of the algorithms to find out the where some labeled data is less and unlabeled data is more. Next we will going to use the unsupervised learning algorithm. Unsupervised learning means data without explicit level, which means we don't have any more information, right? Example, child grouping the toys, these type of things comes under the unsupervised data where the unlabeled data is present, and from that unlabeled data you have to find out the output, or we have to make that machine which gives you conclusion, right? So here there are some of the algorithm like clustering, association comes under the unsupervised learning. Clustering means grouping, in which we are having different type of clustering algorithm, SVD, PCA. PCA means principal component analysis, which is considered as the reduction of the different type of features. K means for the clustering, similar atom will be clustered in a group in the K-mean algorithm. And association analysis means which term is associated with another term. So in detail we will going to learn about these algorithm, then you will going to understand. Okay, next is reinforcement. What is reinforcement? Reinforcement means to with the help of observe environment, with the help of trial and error, with the help of reward and feedback, a machine is going to learn by itself with the experience based learning, we can say it. So that is considered as in the reinforcement. Like we can say that gradually errors are reduced, like playing games, chess, where one machine is going to do a task without giving any input with his own learning, right? So this is the reinforcement learning. So I hope you will learn something like terms like supervised, semi supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So there are different type of terms which we will going to learn more than in deep with the help of another videos. So I hope you will like this video, like you have learned about some of the learning approaches or algorithm which are there in the machine learning. Thank you students, and have a continuous session in another classes. We will going to learn more about the machine learning algorithm in details. And if you like this video, do like the press the like button and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you, and share with your friends.